Hello. So ganito tayo. Kailangan na ibibigay ko sa inyo dito kung paano ang magko-compute ng body mass index or BMI. So dito, very simple lang. The following formula is used to get the BMI, weight in kilogram over height in meters. So this is another example. So for example, ang weight mo is 30, then 30 kilograms, then your weight in meters is 1.2. Okay, squared yan. So the answer would be 30 over 1.44. If you have to multiply 1.2 and 44, ito paano niya kinuha ang squared 1.2 times 1.2. So the answer is 1.44. Ganun ka magkuha ng pag niya. Tapos the BMI is 20.83. Yun ang normal. Dahil dito 18 below, underweight yun. 18.5 underweight. Yung 18.6 to 24.9 normal yan. So dahil 20.83 normal yan. So 25 to 29.9 overweight, then 30 and above obese. Yun. So ganun lang magkuha ng BMI. So ini-YouTube ko rito dahil so kung minsan pag isusulat mo nawawala yung sinulat mo, ngunit pag dito sa YouTube tiyak na mananatili yan hanggat buhay pa tayo. Okay, have a blessed day everyone.